Welcome inside the truck camper. I've got a couple things going on in here that I want to show you. So this project started out by building a custom wooden frame for the bed, and then I bought a truck topper, which I eventually painted both with Herculiner. Here we have my battery. This is just a cheap battery I got from Walmart for another project, and I just decided to put it in here. From this, I have two sets of leads coming off. These are all MC4 connectors. They're waterproof. I usually use these on like solar panels and whatnot. I have a positive end and I have a negative end. So off of those MC4 leads, we have this 10 gauge wire. I put an eyelet on it and crimped it on, as well as down here below. This is going to be your positive, and here's your negative bus bar. So from this diesel heater, I took the positive lead, put an eyelet on it and screwed it in here. And then also to the negative, I put it on this negative bus bar. This is going to connect to the battery via these MC4 connectors. So I'm going to plug the red one together. I'm going to plug in the black ones together. The diesel heater comes with this fuse, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this end off, and then I'm going to put some sort of quick connect here. So over here we have the diesel heater. I put it in a storage bin, but you could put it in Pelican case or an Apache case. You just got to cut holes out for everything. So for the exhaust piping, I wrapped it in the heat protectant, and then I made it so you can just slide it on, and then I'll put a hose clamp right there. On the other end, I had the exhaust pipe fed out of the fender well. I want to find a way to secure this muffler onto the end. So coming out the side of the diesel heater is going to be the exhaust vent. For now, I haven't routed it. It's just going to be this one tube. For fuel storage, I went ahead and got this yellow diesel storage tank. There's a metal stem that came with the kit that I stuck into there and screwed into the cap. Underneath the truck, I ran the plastic lines into a fuel filter and then a fuel pump. The diesel heater is fed up on this end where it comes up down here from the fuel pump. To turn on the diesel heater, I press and hold the power button. The spinning fan animation is what lets you know it's on. I bought this trifold mat from Amazon. It's about 3 inches in thickness, and I think it's very comfortable. It's nice that I can just stick it in the back of the truck. Laying in the back of here is pretty comfortable. I prop a pillow up on the wall, and I find that to be perfect for me. I plan on using this for snowboard season. When my friends want to come, they can just sleep on the floor right there in a cot. Underneath the bed, I built in a little slot for skis and snowboards. This is where we're going to store our gear. Overall, I was surprised at how spacious it was in here. I broke the back glass, so I replaced it with this wooden panel and bed lined over it. Seems to be working alright. It's pretty easy to pull down from the inside, and I actually kind of like how dark it makes it. Having the back window painted gives you a little more privacy. I use lever nuts to connect a ground and a positive to the taillight brake light. These wires run around and up to the top where that brake light is. Under the rear bench seat, I installed a DC battery charger that charges that rear battery from the truck. So to charge all my devices, I have this inverter connected with MC4 plugs, like earlier. Those go right into the battery and then into the back of the inverter. On the front, you have 2 AC plugs and 2 USB outlets, and a switch to turn it on and off. To secure it all, I have locking handles on both sides. With snowboard season just around the corner, I'm ready to start using it. Subscribe to my channel and follow the camper build along with all the other projects I have.